Ay, ang ganda pa.
Wow, may waves.
Ay, ang ganda.
Oo, di ba?
Ang ganda.
Best actor.
It's been almost 7 years since we met on that fateful day. I wasn't looking for anything long term then, as I was constantly traveling abroad for work. But something changed when I met you.
Ay, ang ganda.
Ay, wala na tayong kwan. Let's see.
Ang ganda.
Oh, si Angel. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oo, naiyak ka dito.
Kaya ganyan yung nangyari.
When I proposed during the MBA,
Ang ganda ng
people
panahon,
were
ang
actually
ganda-ganda.
surprised. They thought we were already married. That made me reflect on what marriage really is. To me, it isn't just a formality. I would rather call it formalization.
Yun na kanyang explanation. Diba?
Sayang you never get to meet my father. I once asked him, will I ever find a man who will love me as much or more than you do? He replied,
Ang
don't
ganda niya
seek
actually.
love alone, because it fades. He replied, seek commitment. How lucky am I that with you, even after more than 6 years together, I did not have to choose. I found both. A love that remains and commitment that grows stronger.
Wow, ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda. Wait, ang ganda ng gawa niya, love. Parang naiyak ako. Oh my gosh. Ang sweet.
Tama ako. Tama ako nandyan.
Hindi, pogi-pogi. Oh, ilang naiyak ka talaga. Oh, naiyak lang po. Oh, nilod yung song. Ah, ganda.
Ang ganda na si Mark.
Oh.
Kasi ang ganda na may burda ako sa likod.
Oo, ang ganda
Nakita.
talaga.
Sa mga likod siya.
Tapos nakuha nila yung moments na magaganda. Ayun o. Ah!
Fireworks yan. Sayang wala yung aming toast, but it's fine.
Ah! Ayun na ito.
Oh my God.
He's the groom.
Yeah. Ayun na.
Yung kids po, yung kids po. Bawal yung table na yan.
Oh, ay. Ang taray.
Ayan, yan, yan. Okay, meron naman pala. Meron naman. Yan mo na naman boom ko.
Hindi mo nakita yan. Yung prep. Ang ganda ang buhok, no? Ay, ang galing. Sinutukan na yung dito.
Oo.
Ay, pero pababa mo sa gym.
Yung toast namin. Sige na. Wala, di ba ginawa? Hindi siya photogenic. Sayang, gusto ko man sana ma-involve ko.
Oy,
Oh,
si
napaiyak si Bebe.
Oh. ganda
Uy!
naman. Oh. Wow, si Kuya naka-ano pa sa oh, ano.
For this new adventure, and I really wish I was there.
Oh,
Yeah.
yung si Anat.
Nakanap siya about 2 days ago.
Oh my God,
2 days ago, yes. Birthday ko, sabi ko nga birthday ko.
Birthday gift na.
Birthday gift ko sa kanya.
Ganda ng church. Kuha nila, ang gandang spot.
For years.
Si mama.
Together, we choose
Actually, ang cute nung kwan, father-daughter.
to take
Oh my God.
responsibility for
Buti lang nakamute.
for you and your class going forward.
Mahal pa rin kita lang. Ay, ang ganda ng ano. Ang ganda nung kuno nila. Wait, nag-iyak ako. Ang heartwarming love. As in, ang ganda. Ang sarap ulit-ulitin. Oo.
Maganda to padala sa mga families natin.
Oo.
Si Anas, padalan ko ito.
Okay. Yeah.
Ganda rin.
Oo nga eh. Oh, wala.
Ayan na yung ugly cry ko again. That's my ugly...
Laban.
Laban lang.
Authentic nung love.
Oo nga eh.
Ako ka naiyak din ako yung mata ko, love. Okay. Ang ganda nung araw. Ang ganda.
Ang ganda. Ayan.
Hi! Oh, yung gusto
Game
ng
lang tayo.
fireworks.
Game lang.
We meet challenges with openness and
Oh.
respect, and each time we come through strong. Last but definitely not the least, Rain, I promise to love you.
I promise to take care of our health so we can be fully in your own together. Just like the Instagram reels and on And I promise
Sa
to be like
Instagram.
the mother asking where God grants us His blessing. One without always.
Ang ganda.
Galing ni Chia.
Oh, ang ganda nga. Ang ganda-ganda. Ay, ang ganda ng bubbles. Ang ganda ng mukha nila.
Yan, right into the sunset.
Oo.
Diba?
Ang ganda. Ay, naiyak ako. Ang ganda-ganda.
Amazing! Kakasawag